Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox M.2 NVMe SSD from ANT Esports. The model number is ANT Esports 690 NEO PRO M.2 NVME. The capacity of this M.2 NVMe SSD is 256 GB. I purchased this from MD Computers for around 1720 Indian rupees. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So the box is quite small, it perfectly fits inside my palm, and in the back side of the box there are some product specification, and the price quoted here is 4000 Indian rupees. So inside the box, first we get a warranty card, and a ANT Esports pamphlet or a thank you card from ANT Esports. And finally we have our SSD, which is a M.2 NVMe SSD, 256 GB capacity. The size of the SSD is quite small, and it looks like a small chocolate bar. In the back there is a ANT Esports warranty logo, and here are all the details like serial number and all those stuffs printed here. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.